questions now can be already answered because the person who's saying, I want to be religious, but something is stopping me, hopefully they heard about Jannah.
Maybe it's motivation.
This would be a motivation
Maybe
now.
it's bad company. Maybe it's laziness. Maybe it's your addiction to entertainment. Turn the thing off. Erase the games off your phone, for God's sake. Get a life, really. People are so addicted to entertainment now, and then they say, I can't feel anything in prayer. Well, what a surprise. You have to get off of the screen. You just have to get off. You know, it's ironic, we're going to be on the screen, but if you're going to be on the screen, be there for something productive.
You get motivated to play the Xbox and to win the game and beat everybody at it.
Yep.
Right?
And then you turn into a couch potato at the same time. Right? It makes you less of a human. It really does. I mean, the only thing you can compare people playing video games, what other creature can sit in the same place for hours and hours and hours and not move? What animal on the earth can do that? Even a snail is slowly trying to move from its position, right? This is a really pathetic state for a person to be in, to sit for 2.5 hours before a movie. And the only time the muscle moves is for a popcorn to go into the mouth, right?
Yeah.
You know? What a surprise you're not motivated. You know, this is one thing. Bad company is another. A company that's in itself addicted to entertainment, what's it going to do for you? You have to be around people that are intellectually stimulating, that are doing good things around you. And a big thing also is to not be alone, especially for young people. When you're alone, you are shaitan's lunch. You're done. You're going to end up doing the wrong thing, I guarantee you. You need to be around in a safe environment. If you want to be alone, go to the masjid and be alone. Go to the masjid. Go sit in the library.
Don't be alone.
Don't be alone, especially not in your home. You have an internet connection at home, I don't need to say more. Don't be home.
Cruising for a bruising, is that saying?
That's correct.
Yeah.
I didn't know they said that, but yes.